Hi students, today we are going to make this AFO letter outline like this one, BAM letter or whatever it is. So we have to make this like this outline. First of all, I'm just making a copy of this and then ungroup, and we can just turn on the stroke to keep it at outline effect, but we have to make it also a little 3D like this. You can see here. We can make the cap round and corners like this, and after that just keep copy of each steps, and let's go to object expand. Okay, so now go to effect, warp, and go to arc and see which one is okay. um, Sorry, we have to firstly unite it, and then effect, warp, arc, and now it's much closer to what we need. I'm just going to align like it is right now here, and then I will just click on the warp arc from the appearance panel, and we'll make it warp. Okay, and now it's almost similar warp arc, and now I'll just make a copy of it by pressing alt button and object expand appearance. And now we have to give it a 3D effect, or you can say the 3D outline like you can see in the B. So we have to do the same for here. Just trying to give it a 3D effect from these letters. Make sure it has the stroke, round cap, and round join, and do the same for below part. Keep it with the same stroke, round cap, and round join. Also fix if it's needed. Ungroup to keep a minimum gap to make it more accurate. We can make it a little lower, or you can say we can have more gap like this. B has more gap within it, so we have created like that. And then our next task is focusing on the F letter, and for that we can do the same thing like we did for G letter. Just keep it the same stroke size and the same round cap, round join. And just follow this step and keep it as it's here. I think we can do one thing, there is no need of like this, so this will make it more look like cleaner version of it. And we can use anchor point tool to make a little curve, and then now it's time to focus on the O layer, and as you can see that we can make this little smaller, but with a bigger stroke. So let's keep it as it is now, and then we will focus on this part, making like same stroke size. We have to adjust it according to the design. This is a practice work, so don't worry, but you will learn a lot of things from this video. By the way, I hope you can see the difference right now. I'm creating a little more details here, and space. Okay, now it's much better, and let's again go make a copy of it, and object expand, and okay. So we have now created this version, and we'll make a copy of it here. And now we can also add some clouds like this here, you can see. So I will just keep some clouds. Let's keep the round cap and corner like this one, and also let's keep a copy of it like we can see here. Just to do the same thing, but make it with the D O F O later. So let's select the same stroke with the eyedropper tool. As you can see, there is needed a different angle. Okay, let's again do this cloud. Okay, again with the eyedropper tool you can select the same stroke. Let's lock it by pressing Ctrl 2. Okay, let's do the this cloud. I'm using pen tool to complete this design, and now just fill it with the same stroke, and now let's fill it out. Okay, so now we have completed the cloud part, and now it's time to complete the UFO in the design. And it's, you can see it's very easy task. Just need to know how can we do that, and we can do it easily. And now it's time to make a circle, and place it where it's needed, and let's follow. Okay, so we have also completed this, and now it's time to keep a copy of this also. And now let's go to object, sorry, let's make it 4pt, and then object expand. Okay, and now we have to adjust it according to the design, and as we can see, we can ungroup it, and the cloud will be here. We can place it wherever we feel it good for the design. um, so I think UFO will look good here. Okay, UFO will look good here, and the cloud is okay here, it's also okay here, and all okay. And now it's time to work with this, so I am going to make a copy of it, so if I need it I can clean it wherever possible. So I'll just make a copy by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl F, and then unite it and just fill it with a black color with the shape builder. And I will do same for the, and for this one I will just select it and the letters, and we'll use shape builder and alt key and left click, and we'll cut out the part for the UFO. And now it's same for this O letter, but this time we don't need to just use alt button and to cut out the extra part. We can now do the same thing for this part, just use shape builder, alt left click to cut out. Do the same thing for this part, just do again and again, and you will see the designs soon what has it made. And great, it's done, and you can see we have completed the design same to that. And I will make a copy of it here, and now we can also change the color of the design to white, and now you can see we have made the GFO layer like this one. So hope you like this video. We will come up with a new video soon. Thank you so much.